Hey you all, welcome to another version with your girl, the fashionable Hannah, and today I'm going to be setting up for my 2-year-old's photo shoot birthday, Miss Bossy, and she's about to be 2 on Thursday. So I got this item from Amazon. Everything is going to be here and everything is going to be in the description box, so check them out, and I have some of them here. We're going to do everything and you're gonna see how we're setting this entire thing up. It's gonna be a family setup, so watch us and enjoy. And here we begin the setup. We put up a party table and some stuff we got from Dollar Tree just to set up so that we can be a little bit organized. This is a family decoration and we are all creating the balloon arch for Miss Boss 2-year birthday. And as you can see from the picture what we got from Amazon, we are trying to recreate that. So yeah, we have the balloon electric pump. I got this from I think Walmart for about $16-17. This is an electric balloon pump, so we're gonna use that to draw to build this arch. For this purpose we are having like 10 purple balloons, we have some light pink, we have some red and white balloons too. So hubby's actually trying to look at everything, the kids are trying to look at what we all need from the package to get this started. When I tell you this thing, you have to use your brain. It was a really good activity for the kids. And then we started blowing. We connected the electric pump and everybody was involved. When they blow, they gave the balloons to daddy to tie on. So we didn't put so much air in the balloons because it makes them pop out. So yeah, Miss Boss is trying to get to sleep, so I'm trying. And yes, this was a quick process. We're almost done with all the balloons, as you can see on the floor. And now with the Precious is trying to look at how the arch looks like in the picture, and we are trying to build. So what we're doing now is we're trying to insert the knotted balloons into the holes of the strip. This came with a strip, a white transparent strip. So we're trying to look at the picture and replicate it. So we started off with some purple balloons and it goes with the white. So Precious was delegating that activity. So yeah, Jenny was handing the balloons over to daddy and he was inserting the balloons into the hole of the it, and then we're going to see the final outcome of everything. Oops, I forgot, we still have to put the to the moon. So enjoy while we stick this mini balloons on the foil and the balloons.